Hi, this is Ranadip Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time I'm going to tell you how to install Alexa camera in Alexa Echo Show, Echo Dot or Echo Dot Small. So I have already installed it, so you can view. Stay tuned. So this is Alexa Echo Show camera. So at present it is activated, so you can operate this camera.
What do you want to turn on?
You can operate this camera with voice command with the help of Alexa Echo Show. So you can see that the TV screen of Echo Show is capturing the video of the camera. The camera is iNew camera. At the same time, the date and time with accuracy of second is captured. Alexa, close camera. Alexa, open Bluetooth.
Searching.
So what you need to do is that you have to first buy any brand camera being mentioned by Alexa, and then you have to install the corresponding brand application in your smartphone.
I'm not sure.
And then once you install the entire application in your smartphone, Alexa will help you getting that application connected with the help of internet. Once it is being done, then you can create a group, and inside that group you put that device. So in that way, Alexa will be able to connect with your camera, and the same time you will able to
I don't know that one.
you will be able to get the actual viewing in Alexa Echo Show TV screen only. So I'll show you where I put my camera. Stay tuned. So this is the connections I have made. So this is the only wire getting connected with the 2-pin plug point, and then I have put a drill into the wall, and the wire is getting out of that wall, and this is the camera. This is the iNew camera being recommended by Alexa only, and this camera is taking entire view. So that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel in YouTube in the name of Ranadip Madhu, and wish you a happy day. Bye.